In today's video, we're going to check out the top 5 360-degree cameras in 2019. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about these 360-degree cameras, you can check out the description below. If you'd like to win one of these products, make sure you watch the whole video, click the like button, and comment the hidden word found in this video. At number 5, it's the Samsung Gear 360. As virtual reality looks to take over the entertainment industry, more and more manufacturers are trying to design new devices that are virtual reality compatible. The most interesting of those devices is the consumer-level cameras that shoot 360-degree videos and pictures. Samsung's Gear 360 is one of those cameras, and it's really a versatile and easy-to-use entry-level 360-degree camera that'll let you start having fun from the get-go. The Samsung Gear 360 has a spherical design, designed to be lightweight and portable for easy carrying. It can even fit in your jacket pocket. With these, it allows you to shoot your travels in 360 degrees. It has a small, easy to attach and detach tripod for stability. I found this great to use when set up on the desk. It also provides great footage indoors, but more on that later. You can control the camera with its built-in controls, even though you can control the Gear 360 with your smartphone. For fast shooting, the controls are very convenient. Like the big red record button on top of the camera, along with its tiny 0.05-inch PMOLED display to give you basic information about your recording. For a change, the Gear 360 is equipped with two 15-megapixel cameras back-to-back that gives the device the ability to record high-resolution 384x1920 360-degree videos. The dual lenses also help the device capture 30-megapixel panoramic images with a resolution of 7776 by 3888, meaning that you won't have to pan your phone slowly to take beautiful panoramic pictures. You just press a button and it's done. It utilizes a Trim E5S image processor with 1GB of RAM, an accelerometer and gyro sensors that give the camera its amazing shooting ability. There was a catch with this device though. To get the full features of the device and to get advantage of its ease of use, you have to own a high-end Samsung smartphone. But it doesn't mean that it doesn't function without one. It still captures amazing footage, but it just takes a little more effort. I'd recommend this camera to Samsung users who plan to shoot more indoors than outdoors. At number 4, it's the Rylo 360. The Rylo 360 is an excellent 360-degree camera for everybody. It's the most versatile of the bunch, and you can use it in every situation in your home, sightseeing, and most importantly, during your action-packed hobbies. All this is allowed by its waterproof casing, simple design, and its excellence in processing action videos. It's shaped like a pill with a horizontal orientation while maintaining a small size. The body is circumferenced with a brushed aluminium all around, and the other surface is made from matte black plastic. All this combines to give the device a sleek and minimal look with a sturdy and durable feel. On both sides, the Rylo 360 houses the same cameras, located opposite each other, which is a little different from its competitors that use a little offset placement of their cameras. The device easily rests on top of flat surfaces thanks to its flat top and bottom, and on one side you have a tiny monochromatic display that shows which mode is selected and the battery status. In the basic package, the Rylo 360 comes with the everyday case, a plastic case with a GoPro mount on the bottom that can be attached to a tripod with its removable handle. The Rylo 360 has 3 simple and self-explanatory modes that you can choose from: the 360-degree video, the 180-degree video, and a panorama. Each of the dual lenses of this camera covers a viewing angle of 208 degrees, providing great angles and seamless stitching of both. It records videos in 4K and still panorama pictures in 6K. The image stabilization software works very well, as it seems to stabilize the image even when you're doing shaky activities such as adventure riding. When you upload the footage from the device to your phone, you'll notice that this device has provided you with awesome videos or pictures in the highest quality. Following the on-screen instructions in the app, it'll show you how to select an object to follow during playback. And while it'll certainly take some time to learn how to do it properly, it'll definitely prove worthy. Overall, the Rylo 360 is the best camera that can do it all and can be used anywhere. At number 3, it's the Cowme My Sphere. If you're in the market for a mid-range 360-degree camera that'll do everything decently and has most of the needed features, you should check out the Cowme My Sphere. Located in the middle of the price range, it provides image quality of 360-degree cameras double its price. With superb image stabilization, the Chinese giant has dropped another massively valuable product again. Interestingly, the My Sphere has a unique design compared to other 360-degree camera designs. It's shaped like a square, and it's very thin with just camera lenses sticking out from each side. It's very pleasing to look and carry it. There are 3 buttons on top of the camera: the power button, Wi-Fi and the shutter, but there's no screen, so you need a smartphone to preview images or for changing settings from its official phone app. The camera is very light and portable, but it doesn't feel cheap by any means. However, you should still be very careful with the lenses, as they have a tendency to pick up hairline scratches. So, when you're not using the camera, it's recommended to carry it in the included carry pouch. Videos captured with the My Sphere provided excellent dynamic range and seamless stitching most of the time. The movement was exceptionally smooth and there was a decent light balance. If you watch your videos on your smartphone, you'll not notice any problems, but in a larger screen or a VR headset, there will be some blur. But that problem is apparent in every 360-degree camera with less than 6K resolution. Shooting at 4K resolution in 30 FPS was awesome thanks to its superior lens technology. It beat the competition in every category throughout all the tests. Stitching was really the best because the lenses are installed pretty close together, making it easier for the software to do the stitching. On top of that, the image stabilization software was pretty impressive as it made most high-energy activities watchable. The Cowme My Sphere is definitely the best mid-range, inexpensive 360-degree camera that can shoot amazing 360-degree footage even with its limited resolution. At number 2, it's the GoPro Fusion. GoPro is the company that started the action camera craze, and now it looks to weigh in on the 360-degree action camera market with the Fusion. It's really a premium product with a price to correspond, but if you're serious about content creating, this is one of the best in the market, and it looks to take 360 action cameras from enthusiast hobbyists to mainstream with its experience in the industry. The GoPro Fusion has an amazingly sturdy design that's built to last. You'll love this camera if you like outdoors and extreme sports. It has a waterproof rating that protects the camera up to 5 meters underwater. The water sport and skiing enthusiasts will be pleased with this ability. With its square design with rounded edges, rubberized body and sides that are built with grip strips, GoPro has taken every safety feature that it can. Also, it's very portable as you can carry it in your pocket easily, but it's a little heavier than its competition at 226 grams due to its hard shell. The Fusion interestingly has some voice control features. While it doesn't have lots of controls, it's pretty convenient to have in hand. The camera worked rather well during testing. The 5.2K resolution doesn't look like a lot, but it proves to be enough for all the shooting. I'd also like to touch on the image stabilization technology used in the camera because it just works perfectly. The GoPro Fusion Studio software and the smartphone app give you tons of ability to edit your footage and image. For example, it's extremely easy to edit out the selfie stick when in your selfies and other situations. The software gives you tons of advantages and may take just a little time to learn. It allows you to really easily reframe and crop, and the camera even supports the Little Planet mode, which is pretty cool. Fusion is one of the best 360-degree cameras that give amazing 360 and widescreen video sequences that allow a lot of post-editing thanks to its over-capture. And at number 1, it's the Insta360 One X 360. The Insta360 One X 360 maybe doesn't have the rugged action camera protection or fully waterproof features like the GoPro Fusion, but what it lacks there it compensates for with its 360-degree setup that's made possible by the two 180-degree cameras and its extremely powerful software and lens technology that allows perfect stitching. It's the perfect tool that'll let you have fun with no matter what it is that'll allow you to capture various types of footage thanks to its amazing features. When I first saw the Insta360 One X 360, it reminded me of older USB sticks that were far larger than contemporary ones. It's pill-shaped like most of 360-degree cameras and is very easy to get a secure grip on. It's even very pocketable at 115 grams of weight and 115 millimeters of length. In the chassis of the device, you'll notice that there's not a lot of controls nor an onboard LED screen for previews, so most of the operation will need your smartphone for, but it has some fairly simple controls that will come in handy for easy shooting. The Insta360 One X companion app will prove to be very convenient right from the start, as it's available for Android and iOS and offers even some quick edits to your images and videos and exporting them to your albums. You can even share your content with friends directly from the app. It's worth mentioning that you should buy a selfie stick to get the most out of your camera. Thanks to its software that allows you to easily edit the selfie stick out, you'll manage to capture amazing content and it'll look like your camera is flying in mid-air. With its 5.7K shooting performance and flow state stabilization software, you'll manage to easily capture quality content. Performance-wise, it's pretty much similar to the GoPro Fusion, but its user-friendly features that literally are convenient and useful from the get-go make the Insta360 ONE X 360 the best in its category. Truly an amazing 360-degree camera that'll please beginners and more experienced users with its performance and smartphone app. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.